Do you want to mention someone on WhatsApp status? You can tag people on WhatsApp status with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to mention someone on WhatsApp status. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out after watching this video. To mention someone in a WhatsApp status. First, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Make sure you have installed the latest version of WhatsApp. Now, tap on the Update tab located at the bottom of the screen. At the top of the screen, tap on My Status to create a new status update. A new screen will appear where you can take or choose a photo, video, or text status. Once you've added the photo or video, you'll see an @ icon in the bottom right of the screen. Tap on this icon. Again, a new screen will appear where you can choose the name of the person you want to tag in your WhatsApp status. Select the contacts one by one that you want to mention in the status. You can tag multiple people in a status. Once you've selected the contacts, tap on the checkmark button at the bottom right of the screen. After creating your status and tagging someone, tap the send icon to post it. Now, the mentioned person will receive a notification that they were tagged in your status.